Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to achieve HD quality in Gemini photo editing. First, open your desired image within the Gemini application. Locate the enhancement tools, often found under an Edit or Enhance menu. We will focus on specific settings that dramatically improve visual fidelity. This initial step is crucial for setting up your editing workflow efficiently and getting the best results from Gemini's powerful AI features. Next, let's dive into resolution and detail. Find the upscale option, which intelligently increases your photo's pixel count without losing quality. Then, carefully adjust the sharpness and clarity sliders. A small increase can make a big difference, but avoid over-sharpening. Finally, use the noise reduction tool to eliminate any unwanted grain, especially in low-light photos, ensuring a clean, high-definition look. Now, we'll perfect your photo's colors and tones. Start by fine-tuning saturation and vibrance to make colors pop without looking artificial. Next, balance the lighting with exposure and contrast adjustments, aiming for a natural, well-lit appearance. Don't forget white balance to ensure colors are true to life, removing any unwanted color casts. These steps are vital for a professional, high-definition finish. For our final steps, carefully review your masterpiece. Zoom in to 100% to catch any subtle flaws or areas needing minor tweaks. Once satisfied, proceed to export your image. Always choose the highest quality settings, such as a JPEG with 100% quality or a lossless format like PNG, to preserve all the HD detail you've worked so hard to achieve. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.